Tesla Giga Texas reaches production capacity of 4,000 Model Ys per week. Tesla Giga Texas continues to ramp up production and has reached its next major milestone. Almost a year after launch, the factory reached a production capacity of 4,000 vehicles per week. Entering mass production is the most difficult stage for manufacturers. Usually, it is a new product that requires new technologies, and in the case of Tesla, they are new not only for the company, but for the entire industry. Thus, technologies were invented from scratch. This becomes even more difficult when new manufacturing processes have to be applied in a new factory that has just been put into operation. Giga Texas officially launched almost 1 year ago and will celebrate its first anniversary on April 7th. Here, Tesla had to work very hard to carefully put the factory into operation, while some parts of it continued to be completed. In addition, the company uses new production equipment and a team that needed to learn how to work with it. Tesla is also dependent on the production volume of its new 4,680 battery cells and will be able to ramp up Model Y production as cell production increases. At the end of August 2022, Giga Texas reached a production capacity of 1,000 Model Ys per week, which was achieved in 4.5 months. Just 3.5 months after that, on December 15, Giga Texas announced another milestone: the production of 3,000 vehicles per week, tripling the previous result. On April 2, 2023, Tesla announced that it had reached a new production milestone by reaching a production level of 4,000 Model Ys per week. This means that, in fact, this was achieved in the working week from March 27 to April 2. This also means that at the moment, the factory has already reached a production capacity of about 208,000 Model Y per year, and the increase in production continues. Congrats Giga Texas team on building 4K Model Y this week. Tesla April 2, 2023. Giga Berlin launched a few weeks earlier than Giga Texas and has ramped up production faster. On March 25, the European factory celebrated reaching the production of 5,000 vehicles per week. That is a big lead over Giga Texas. However, it is worth bearing in mind that Model Y production at Giga Texas is directly dependent on the production of 4,680 batteries. The ramp-up of their production, which is already taking place, may be slower than planned. On the other hand, Tesla is already on track to start production of Cybertruck, and perhaps some of the 4,680 battery cells are being used to build test pickup trucks. Source: reposted and summarized from Eva Fox at Tasmanian. My take: both Texas and Berlin are ramping up very nicely. How long before they are at 10,000 cars per week each?